Hi, it's Fraser here from Lyon Real Estate. If you'd like a free barista made coffee, come and see us at our next friendly open home here at 10 Glenlyon Street at Marsden. Come and have a look. Welcome to our beautiful family home with enough space in the lounge room for a theatre-sized TV. Great to watch the cricket or football. Our user-friendly kitchen is both modern and looks out over the entertaining area. Large bedrooms featuring a fully ducted air conditioning system which can be controlled remotely by an app on your mobile. The 3 bedrooms are serviced by a modern and functional bathroom featuring corner spa. The outdoor area is both covered and open, allowing a great variety of uses, including a fully fenced in-ground salt water swimming pool. And our big surprise is our man cave. The home also features side access, which is great for boat, jet ski or other storage. In close proximity, a 7-minute drive to Marsden High School. So what did you think? That is an absolutely fantastic home that quite honestly you really need to come and inspect to appreciate. A great family home that we can move into straight away. Swimming pool, fantastic outdoor area. This home has been tightly held by the family for the last 20 odd years. Also a side access, and our big surprise is our man cave, which we are deliberately not photographing. You'll have to come to the property to see it. Fraser Andersen from Lyon Real Estate, more proof that at Lyon we do.